guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Assya if you guys are new. So guys, this academic year has changed a lot. So in order for the kids to graduate, they won't be able to graduate as normal. So in this case, I have come up with 5 different graduation ideas that you really would enjoy and hopefully will implement in your school or preschool and give your students a memorable graduation. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so my first idea for you is a drive-through graduation. For a drive-through graduation, the principal and some teachers will help decorate the schoolyard or the school road, and in this case they will have an arc of balloons where the cars will go under, and the parents and the kids will get dressed up. They'll be in the car and they'll be passing through the arc of balloons in the decorated area, and the principal and the teacher will be standing on the side, so when the car passes by they roll down the window and the teacher could hand the kid the certificate and a goodie bag, and also they can take some social distancing photos. So guys, my second idea for you is basically a class video. So in the class video, you can get the kids to introduce themselves, to sing a song, to read a poem, and state what was their favorite part during the past year and what would they like to be when they grow up. It would also include teachers' speeches, principal speeches, and also some memorable and funny moments throughout the year. So guys, so for your video, you also need to use some background music like You've Got a Friend in Me, or It's a Wonderful World, or Walking on Sunshine, and I will include these in the description box for more ideas. So you can watch this video together on a live Zoom call with your students and parents, or you can share it on YouTube and put it in as private and share the link with all your parents, or put it onto a CD and mail it to your students' homes. So guys, my third idea for you is basically a Zoom graduation. And for the Zoom graduation, the teachers and the parents need to coordinate. The parents need to secretly create graduation paper hats for their kids, and maybe they can decorate a backdrop for them for the Zoom call, and maybe, for example, have like sparkly backdrops or balloons or like a tassel garland. And by the way, if you want to watch how to make a tassel garland, I also have a video and I will link it up here, right here, and you guys can check it out after this video. So guys, before the Zoom call, the school has to send out the students' certificates by mail, and the parents will receive them and hand it to their kids during the Zoom meeting. So guys, my fourth idea for you is basically the teachers deliver the student certificates and goodie bags along with the CD to the kids' doorsteps. So for this one guys, the teachers need to decorate their own cars with some balloons around and maybe stick their kids' names on all over the cars. And while approaching the kids' doorstep, you guys can play maybe a class favorite song inside the car, and also this has to be arranged with the parents accordingly, so all the parents and their kids will be outside on their doorsteps waiting for their teacher to come, and the teacher then will present the kid with the certificate and goodie bag and also CD, and they can also take some social distancing photos. So guys, my fifth idea for you is a parade graduation. So for the parade graduation, the parents have to decorate their own cars and they have to line up in the school road and to drive around their neighborhood with their friends and school teachers. Here, the students can be presented with their certificates at the end of the parade by the school teacher, or they can have their certificates presented to them by their parents at home during the Zoom ceremony, and then have the parade after for just more fun and ambience. Okay guys, so these are my ideas for a virtual and social distancing graduation. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye!